screech owl doesn't.
The screech, don't
Make
stop
loud.
here. The screech owl does not screech. They don't screech. Screech owls screech. Screech owls sing like, that's why he wears.
Well, this is called a common barn owl. They're very, very common, obviously. They're one of the best predators for small rodents. They eat a tremendous number of mice and rats and all that kind of animals. They have, sometimes they'll have 3 or 4 batches of babies with up to 6 babies in a batch. In one family of barn owls with one clutch of eggs, or one family, will eat 3,200